The Patricia D. Pepe Center for Cancer Care receives a new donation. The social group SM&SF raised $10,000 through their Kick-In for Cancer fundraiser for the hospital to provide more patient care. The donation will go into providing transportation to cancer patients for them to receive treatment. Iftikhar Ahmed is the medical director of oncology services at OSF Healthcare. He says the transportation can be provided to any cancer patient in need, regardless of the distance or the frequency of their appointments.
This will probably help, for many, many months. How many patients, I really can't say. It just depends. Every patient's need is different. Sometimes it's just a one-time thing that we need to do. Sometimes it's they need help for every radiation treatment, which can be 6 weeks.